One absolute stunning example. This is the Range Rover Sport D300 HSE Silver Edition in the beautiful Santorini Black 2021 21 registration with only 19,000 miles on. Full service history, cracking specification and still under manufacturer's warranty. Now this car isn't going to hang around for long for many reasons. One, it's the new engine, the D300. It's the styling. With them upgraded wheels, this car looks absolutely fabulous. Now you have other features like the LED style daytime running lights, the full LED headlights, all the colour-coded bumpers with the LED front fog lights right at the bottom in the splitter there. The HSE Silver Edition also has that lovely dark grey sections dotted about around the car, and I'll show you as I move around, like the bonnet vents, the side vents, the door handle surrounds. But for me, it's features like this. The upgraded 22-inch alloy wheels, the autobiography wheels, really completely change the way this car looks. You've then got the fixed side steps, sun protection glass, blacked out windows, and then you have things like comfort access. There's a door handle covers there, being the HSE Silver Edition. You've then got that lovely black leather interior, electric seats, memory seats, and heated seats, both for driver and passenger. The touchscreen media system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, DB digital radio, and Bluetooth. So you've got everything. But over and above all that, you've got the panoramic glass roof. You've also got the tilt and sliding roof, so it's not just a fixed roof. So if I show you, that goes back and so does the glass piece. But then on this car, being the HSE Silver Edition, you've got the heated steering wheel and you've also got the refrigerator in here. So it really is a good spec car, like I said. Air suspension, the different drive controls on there, split dashboard. Again, everything's in super condition. Been so well looked after. 5-seater vehicle. The rear passengers have also got rear heated seats, USBs and USCs all the way around the car, and the extra speaker system on the door cards, as you can see just there. Family friendly, so you have ISOFIX attachments, you've got 3-point seat belts. The car is it's a superb car because it's a Range Rover Sports, it's a good size, massive boot, great styling, easy to drive, returns great miles per gallon for the size of the car, and it just looks mega, but you're sat nice and high up. Visibility is brilliant. And look at the space. So if you're using it for the kids, if you're using it for work, for hobby, it's just got everything that you need. Underneath here, you have the cubby hole where the foam kit is, the lock and wheel nut is, and that's your load space covered just there. Press the button and it closes away. It's just a cracking car. Like the front, around the back you have the LED rear lighting system and the LED rear indicators. And you can just see the styling with the fixed side steps and the wheels. It really does look really smart. Electric windows and mirrors with electric folding mirrors just there. You've then got things like the full digital dashboard where it's displaying the full navigation across the full screen. All the adjustments for the steering column, so you can go up and down and in and out. Paddle shift, lane assist, cruise control, and that's fully illuminated and ceramic finished. Automatic headlights, automatic window wipers, and there is a reversing camera system as well. P for park button, there's a heated seat options, and that's a climate control, followed by front and rear heated windscreen. 2 keys, twin cup holders. If you slide this section forward, you've got more of a cubby hole space underneath, and then you have that lovely grand veneer finish on the interior inlays as well. Like I said, tilt and sliding panoramic roof, 22-inch alloy wheels, 19,000 miles, the new D300 HSE Silver Edition. Going live now, and with live pricing, it is the best value in the country. You'll see that as soon as you go and do your research. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. So if you do like what you see, give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.